Welcome to Kicking It with TC, and today's video is sponsored by Glamermaid Pressonnails.
If I wrote you a symphony.
Glamermaid offers affordable but trendy designs in your favorite nail shapes.
I told you were beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
And here's the set, Paradise Heaven, which I will be showing you how to apply in today's video.
Say I do.
Moving on to what's included in the box are the nails, the adhesive tabs, and the nail prep kit.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing.
Next is how to prep your nails. First, you want to start off with washing your hands, as you should anyway, because we are in a pandemic still. Don't be crazy.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman.
After I wash my hands, I start by pushing my cuticles back. Next, you will want to decide if you're going to use the adhesive tabs or nail glue. For me, using nail glue, I would file my nails, but using adhesive tabs, you would want to start with the alcohol pad.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
Since I'm going with the adhesive pads, I'm wiping off my nails.
It's you. This ring here represents
Next, or before, you would want to start sizing your nails, and as you can see under there, it has a number. That number is your nail size. So pick your nail size accordingly. If you know it, or if you don't know it, look on the pack.
you could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me.
As mentioned in the beginning of the video, here are the nail designs that are included in this pack.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman.
Now, I will show you how to apply the nails. You should already have the nails set out to your size. With the adhesive tab already on, I apply the nail and hold for 10 seconds with pressure.
I can see us holding it.
Here, I'm showing you how to size the adhesive tab and apply to your nail.
Side by side, you could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And here are the finished results. I hope I have convinced you to purchase these nails. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time.
Check out Glamermaid's site at glamermaid.com, and also the link is in our bio. And if you want to receive 15% off, here's our coupon code TC15. Thanks for watching.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth?